Hello, good morning students. Today we explain to one practical which name is germination of pollen grain on the stigma. Okay, germination of pollen grain on the stigma. So for this experiment we require different material. So look at this please. Here is required, first is a sucrose, second is here boric acid, okay, or this place kept here distilled water, or this is a glycerol, some instrument for extracting the pollen grain from the flowers. This is a microscope. With the help of microscope we observe the pollen grains, okay, germinating pollen grain on the stigma. This place Sadabahar flower, its scientific name is Madagascar periwinkle, okay, its scientific name is Madagascar periwinkle, or slide is also required. This place we keep here 10% solution of boric acid or sucrose, or this is the cover slip which cover the slide after keeping the pollen grains on the slide, okay, and one spatula which is used for taking the for extracting the sucrose or boric acid from the box, okay, clear. Now we extract the pollen grain from this flower, okay. From this place from with the help of the needle we extract the pollen grain. When you needle enter this place, so some pollen grains attached to this needle, attaching this needle and kept on this slide. Extract the pollen grain from this periwinkle flower. So first we take a needle, then from the with the help of the needle we extract the pollen grain from this flower. Only dip the needle, so some pollen grains attach this needle, and these pollen grains we keep on the slide, or with the help of the dropper. With the help of the dropper, we 10% solution put on the slide. This is a Nutri solution, and after this solution we cover this slide with the help of cover slip and keep this slide for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes we observe this slide on the microscope. We observe that pollen grains start to germinate. Now we see the pollen grains which is extracted from the Sadabahar flower under the microscope with the help of this microscope, okay. These are the microspore which taken from the Sadabahar flower, periwinkle flower. So these you observe here many microspore under the microscope, okay.